Hello YouTube, back at it again. I wanted to take you with me on this one. I have to go to the opticien in Drachten. So, un momento por favor. I've put this together. Well guys, this is gonna be it. And I put you a little bit into the back and see how this works out. This is gonna be it. There you're gonna go, guys. Right in between. Start her up. What do you want to do? Not that cold, I started up on gas. Here you go, guys, boys and girls. Just rolling, no gas. Little gas. First shift is always a little bit need to warm up, maybe a little bit more oil. You're close by now for the sound of my voice. Be good. Of course we're gonna drive it warm before we go. The heater comes in very gentle. This is now an automatic. And first the engine has to go to 50 and then that starts. It's so nice and raw in the morning. Doggo Argentino, my favorite dog. Difficult for me this way to position the camera angle. I don't think it's at the best. Wait. There's no way of doing it. See, 50-ish, then she starts. It's beautiful. Very nice. It's nice. Where do I have to go? To the opticien. I was missing. Neusvleugel beschermen. nose wind protector for your glasses. And I don't like glasses, that's I'm complaining a little bit. I see dots. Always drove shift stick, schakelen, but when you get older the automatic is quite nice. I never have to use the foot. Chill as can be. With my experience as a cab driver, I would say you only need stick het circuit in de rally. Formule 1. When you're cruising down the street, come on. You got a good kick down. The only thing is when you drive a lot of stick and then you have to go into an automatic. You forget your foot when you're coming in an emergency situation. You're gonna use your clutch foot, and it's so powerful. Your head is gonna go right through the windows. Maybe not through the window. Volkswagen. I hope they can help me fast. Nice and hot. Well guys, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and then I'll be right back.